Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by identifying where brightness is controlled and why that matters for accurate readings. First, use the laptop FN key plus the marked F keys. These change hardware backlight directly. If you're on a desktop, open Quick Settings or the system tray to access the software slider. Once done, make sure the monitor is powered and cable secure. Unlit or disconnected displays give false brightness impressions. Doing these first steps ensures you can adjust and then measure brightness reliably. Now you measure and adjust for precision because perceived brightness changes with environment. Open System Display Settings and tweak the slider while noting numeric values if available. This adjusts backlight and software gamma. Make sure ambient light remains stable, close blinds, and disable automatic brightness so readings aren't skewed. If you need a quantitative result, use a colorimeter or a camera app with exposure lock to compare luminance. Once adjusted, lock settings and document the value for repeatability. Finish by confirming the setting works across real content and know what to do if it doesn't. You should test with both dark and bright images to ensure contrast and luminance are consistent, then save or note the final percentage or slider position. If adaptive brightness exists, keep it off until you have a baseline. You can re-enable later. If brightness is unresponsive, update display drivers, inspect the monitor OSD for locked controls, and reboot. These steps resolve most stuck brightness issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.